Hi, in this video I am going to run through the answers to the Intro Excel Worksheet 1. So the first question is asking you to figure out how to alphabetize and sort columns. So it looks like my filter menu is already on here, but if you go to Data, Filter, I just took them off. I'll do it again, Data, Filter. And we get these little pull-down menus here. So put classmates in alphabetical order by first name. What is your first name? Sending. So, from Amanda to Uni. Now rank by birthday. Who is the youngest? All right, so here's what is your birthday? Ascending. Okay. And so it looks like Rebecca is the youngest class member. Okay. Now use the filter function to make Excel only hometown Ohio. How many students is that? Now in this spreadsheet here, so here's what is your hometown. You click here. Right now it has selected all. I'm going to unselect that and just choose Ohio. So here are just the Ohio's, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 students. And now I had already fixed the alternate spellings of Ohio in this column. But just to quickly demonstrate again how to do that, I'm going to look over here to the where did you spend your winter vacation question, and the state column there, and you see the problem is when we allowed people to just enter states, people spelled Ohio a couple different ways. So I'm going to pick the alternate spellings and display both of them. And then use my fill down by just grabbing that little corner there and dragging the top one down and making them all the same that way. So it's not consistent with over here, but this is just for my use. Okay, now let's look at the whole thing again. All right, mean number of previous math classes taken. So we will find, is this math? How many math or stats class? So the mean number. Because there are no blanks in this row, our sigma should work just fine. Let's see. I'm going to find it right here, auto sum. And I asked for the mean, which is the average here. And you'll see this went from V2 to V34, which matches up with the whole column with what we want here. Here, return. Answer to one decimal point, 1.5. Now, if this was, of course, higher than 1.55 or higher, I would have probably rounded up rather than rounded down. Okay, median number of math classes. I'm going to delete this. And to do the median number of math classes, again, auto sum. More functions. I'll look for median in here. I'll just put it up here. And it filled in these numbers automatically correctly. And you can also change how it fills those numbers in by moving the actual box And the number, whoops, you see the number there corresponds to what you have up here. Fortunately, I just turned it into garbage, so I'll do it again. So the median number is 1. And of course, the median is the middle number if you were to put them all in rank order. The best predict, so this is of course completely made up. If I didn't have to say that already. Extensive research has found that the best predictor of success in Journalism 412 is the number of journalism classes plus the number of MJF classes. All right, so we want a journalism plus MJF figure for each student. And so right now we have how many journalism classes, how many MJF classes. I'm going to click here, or actually I'm going to do it right there. Insert columns. And I can put my new name for this column. I'm going to call this Math plus Journ. And that is going to be based on a formula. Now to tell Excel that you're doing a formula, you start with equal. Then you see the formula bar up here. And we can do this just by clicking this plus this. And notice it's filling it in with the cell identification rather, or actually the column identification rather than the number itself. But when you hit return, it gives you the number. And now I'm going to fill this down. And what it filled down was actually this formula, which said grab the number from T2 and add it to the number from U2. And for each cell going down, when you fill down, it fills in with the formula, but changes the column, or but changes the row that it grabs those numbers from, the row reference. So there we go. Math plus, so what is the median? So these are all the Math plus Journs. What is the median? No, sorry. Who has taken the most M plus M? We go here. Descending, highest to lowest. And our answer is Carolina. Oops. What is the mean salary? So the average salary class members think they will earn in 10 years. All right. This one here, 10 years. The mean average. Now look, because of this gap, it did not fill it all the way to the top. So we're going to grab this and fix it by pulling it up there. And now you'll see this formula is correct. Equals, so this will be mean. And the mean is and the median. And since we know that this is just median, I'm going to change it rather than looking it up. Oh, there it is. Look at that. All right. Oh, look. All right. Let me fix that. And the median is 70,000. All right, very good. Hope this was helpful, and see y'all in class.